Next, we're gonna move to Copy Constructor, which is gonna create a new object by copying the value from existing object. That's basically like a duplicate of an existing object. Let's do here a small modification in class car. Here we have an object which we call it my car, and we have a constructor here, call it car. So how to implement the copy constructor? As we just mentioned, it will like duplicate existing object. That's why it should be the same constructor. As you can see, it's gonna be public car, but instead of passing the new values, we will pass the existing object. So we can say here existing object, and that one will be an object of the same class, in our case gonna be car. And here, instead of passing the color, it will be existing object dot color and existing object dot speed. And let's have a look what we will do here inside the main. Here we have original and the copy one. So we're gonna say here creating original object for car, and we already did that in our previous example. And the new one here, it will be car, and we can call it copied object or copied car in that case, and it will be exactly same initialization, new car, but here instead of passing anything, we will pass the existing object. In our case, it will be my car. I will take that one as a copy and paste it here. And let's have a look. If we tried to print out the same new object, it should give me the same values. So instead of my car, it will be copied car, and here it will be the same. And let me run this application. And as you can see, it's exactly the same values.